I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, hey, hey.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Día es de fiesta, de alcohol María en la dieta. Tengo estamina como atleta. Esto es un party de John Z. Todo el mundo anda ruleta. Echa las maletas porque mañana cojo un avión pa' la puñeta. Dame de esos rositas en la receta. Una moñita de esa capeta. Hey, de vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes, sometimes I feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
De vacaciones, todos los días me paso en hoteles y aviones.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit and love it on a day of leave. Say you hate your job, but you'll never leave, never leave. That ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands, they ain't so greasy, feel me? Daily, daily, get to do the shit I love up on a daily. Every single day, cause I love my occupation.
De vacaciones,
You don't like your life, then you should go and change it.
de vacaciones
Cogemos Airbnb, villas y mansiones.
Mujeres bien borrachas cantando todas las canciones. Conche de alcohol, bien llenos los jarrones.
Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day, hey. GM, everybody, and welcome to this, your daily dose of Web3 morning motivation. We're coming live on YouTube, we're coming live on X, we're coming live on Facebook, and we're coming live on LinkedIn, so no matter how you are receiving this message, welcome to the space that aims to entertain you, motivate you, and educate you every single morning in just 40 to 45 minutes. As you come in, please make sure that you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, the retweet button, the comment button, I mean all the buttons, because that's how you tell the algorithm that this is the content that you want to push up people's timeline, because this is the content that brings the vibe, the mojo, and all the energy that you need to get your day started. So without further ado, let's get this show started. Welcome back. This is your host, Degen Ape. We have a very special show prepared for all of you today because we're going to be talking about how the something is literally breaking in Japan, causing their markets to drop over 6% in just one day. And we will, of course, cover all the latest news happening in the world of cryptocurrency. So sit back, relax, because we're about to have some fun. We will also talk about our latest advancements in our decentralized autonomous technology, the Degen wallet. Now, if you're keen on joining our community and getting access to these cutting-edge technologies before the masses, simply follow the OpenSea link that is in our bio or in the description of YouTube, because from the outset, our vision has been to empower our community with unmatched financial freedom. We began by minting out our Degen Forest NFT collection back in May 2023. This collection is the only ticket that grants you access to beta test all of our technology before anybody else, and it's also the only way that you can earn freshly minted Mula tokens as a reward for helping us battle test our technology. We're also about to release our Degen wallet to the public here in just a few weeks now that our Mula token is live and trading on exchanges. And this is more than just a wallet, guys. This is the pinnacle of a Web3 bank, revolutionizing decentralized finance, Web3, and NFT management, because our mission is to bring decentralized autonomous technologies to the masses, creating a world where everyone can thrive in a safe and secure digital environment. Now, I don't want to move forward without first giving a big shout out to all our Degens in the house. Look at those beautiful Degen apes in the house. I see you, Haywire. I see you, Edward. I see you, David. What's going on, Shao? Everybody's in the house. Sammy, thank you for showing up. Everybody who is on X, everybody who is on YouTube, everybody who is on Facebook, also and in LinkedIn. Believe it or not, we got people watching on LinkedIn. So thank you for everybody for showing up. We got a very special show prepared for all of you today because we got a lot to cover. Now, if you are in our community, let me tell you something. If you show up to our Telegram community, in there you can raid our tweets, and you can earn points that will then be exchanged for Mula tokens at a later date. So before I move forward, I want to make a quick pause in the stream to tell everybody who was expecting to get an airdrop, a Mula token airdrop. Let me tell you something. That is already out, already sent, already delivered. So you may check your wallet and you will find your Mula tokens there. Now, there was a little bit of a controversy inside our community around our rates and how many tokens we gave per point and all of this stuff. At the end of this day in the community, we decided to grant 1 point per Mula token. So 1 point equals 1 Mula token. Every time you like, you get 2 points. Every time you retweet, you get like 4 points. Every time you comment, you like 6 points. All in all, if you price our Mula tokens at listing price, we're talking about 18 cents every time you help us, push any tweet or any social media post throughout the algorithm. Now, this caused some controversy inside our community, right? Let's call it for what it was, because it was not the original rate we had promised. We were expecting far more people to join raiding, but we didn't have the adoption of the raid program that we were expecting, so we had to make some adjustments. Now, to make up, I've been thinking a lot about this, right? I understand where are some of you guys coming from, and I've been thinking a lot about this. Of course, we already sent all the airdrops. There are no more airdrops going out for now until the token burns arrive. So what we decided to do is to leave the same pool. So it's the same 2.5 million tokens going out for anybody that is out there in our Telegram community, helping us spread the word out, helping us shield this token around social media platforms. So it's the same amount. So what we decided to do is to grant a flat rate, 1 Mula token per point. But, you know, that caused some controversy back and forth. So this is what I decided to do. We are not going to reset the points. You heard that right? We are not going to reset the points. What does that mean? That if you have 500 points right now, we're not going to reset the count to 0. So the count remains 500. And now when you move forward helping us and you continue to help us raid, your count is 501, 502, and so on. Which means that when we do the next airdrop, we're not going to subtract that. So we're gonna pay you 500 plus the new amount of tokens that you're gonna get. So you're gonna get, again, a bag for the exact amount of points you already have, plus more. And I want to do that in a way to compound loyalty. The longer you are loyal to us, the more tokens you make, because the count does not get reset. That means that the longer you remain with us and the longer you help us, the more Mula tokens you make out of that 2.5 million Mula tokens pool that is reserved for our community members. That means you, if you join our Telegram today and start helping us raid. If you're new and you're joining, well, your count starts at 0 because you're just joining new. But we want to compensate those of you who have been here for a few months already, helping us get the word out. And some of you may not feel that you got the bag you were expecting because of the price suffering due to the airdrop that we just released into the market. So as a way to, you know, to alleviate that, we decided to change a little bit. Okay, let's compensate loyalty, which means your points compound. Every time you get an airdrop, those points do not reset to 0, and you compound them into the next airdrop. When will be the next airdrop, you may ask? After our Mula tokens burns begin. I don't know exactly when it's going to be. It's going to be at least another 2 or 3 months before that happens. But then we're gonna release another batch for those who have been active once the token burns begin, and we have our referral program is active, our wallet is generating revenue, the full business model is out, and we are flying into the moon. We're gonna do the next release. But I wanted to say that we're gonna compound those tokens as a token of appreciation, as a way to say thank you for all of you who have been here for a while, actually helping us push this project forward, even when the token wasn't even listed on exchanges, before the token was even listed on exchanges. So with that out of the way, for example, Andrew, in the chat, you say that you have 150 points, so you already got an airdrop for that, those 150 points, but then those will roll over to the next one. So you're gonna get 150 plus whatever amount you accumulate between now and then. This is a great way for us to also give continuation to the program so that we can continue to incentivize our community to build and stick around despite of what Bitcoin is doing during that week. You guys know how that goes, because Bitcoin has been going bananas. Bitcoin has been going bananas. Now, with that out of the way, let's keep that engagement coming and let's make some magic together. Before I move on, I don't want to do so without first expressing what is our true vision and mission here at the Forest. Of course, decentralized autonomous technology, of course, mass adoption, but at the end of the day, all we want you to be here is to be happy.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
That's right. We just want you to be happy, so don't stress out. We're just getting started. You should not be selling any of your Mula tokens anyways, because the time to sell, I keep telling you, is April, May, next year. And I will be selling as well. I will be the first. Oh, but you're the team and you own the Mula token as well. You're the developer. How come you tell me you're gonna sell? If I am not able to sell as the CEO, right, as the main developer, then that means that the business model doesn't work. Because why I didn't get free tokens, by the way. I bought all of them, and I will be selling, but because I'm not selling against retail, I'm not selling against you, I'm selling against a real business model. We have a wallet. This wallet generates revenue, and is that revenue the one that is being used to buy back Mula tokens and burn them? So we're gonna buy back the Mula tokens and burn them. So once you understand that, you live free, because April, May next year, once the bull cycle is hitting a top. Do you want to know when Bitcoin is going to top? I'm telling you. April, May next year, 2025. That's when you should be selling all of your tokens, not just Mula, but your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your Link, all of your bags. You should be selling them then. And if you think that I am crazy, well, I am a monkey on the internet after all. So don't think that I am a financial advisor by any means. I'm just taking Degen bets on Degen coins as the Degen that I am. With that out of the way, let's move on, because we got some news. We got Japan going crazy. The markets is going down. Something seems like it's breaking, but nobody can pinpoint exactly what it is. Well, let me tell you right away. They, for the first time pretty much since ever, they raised rates. So while we are all expecting a rate cut here in America, Japan has not cut rates. In fact, the rates has always remained pretty much at zero. So for the first time ever, for the first time pretty much since ever, I don't remember, 2006, no, I don't know when was the last time, if ever, that Japan raised rates. I mean, so that is what is causing the market panic. Yesterday we saw how Bitcoin took a massive dump back to our support level that we had I didn't draw this line. This line was already here, and then Bitcoin came to it because I already had it all drawn since here. I already knew that it was going to be around here. So that's what it is. Maybe I need to go to the weekly. So that you guys can see better. Because we also had a monthly close. There you go. That is the Fibonacci level. That is the 2360 Fibonacci level. And you see how we just came and wicked right through it. So if we go back to the 4 hours, you can see that we came perfectly to the algo level and then bounced off of it. And now we're going to go back, we're going to go back to the top of the range. And we're gonna look to fight the $70,000 yet. We're gonna see what is happening with Japan. I'm gonna expand on the news here in a bit. I got a lot to cover, as you can see. But Bitcoin is already looking to recover. But there could be more downside. Don't be surprised if we go down to 60. That's a possibility. We may retest this 200 EMA, but we're still inside the range. We're still inside this massive range. So we bounce off the bottom of the range. We're working our way back. If we can break above this green line, then we're gonna enter full price discovery mode. We're gonna break all-time highs and enter full price discovery mode. So all eyes on Bitcoin. We're just looking to see what's gonna happen over the next few weeks. I gotta be honest, this dump that we just saw happen caught everybody by surprise. Nobody were expecting Japan to do this, and there is also something else that is causing this. If you want to know what else is causing this, let me look real quick. Let me look real quick. Poly markets, so that I can show you exactly what's going on. So this is what's happening right here. We can see that Kamala Harris, possible candidate, is the convention over? I mean, is this already official? I don't know if she's the official candidate yet, but all I can tell you is that the odds have been increasing. So since these odds, Biden say no, Kamala was up, and since here you can see that the odds of Kamala winning the elections have been going up and up. As the odds of Kamala winning the elections increases, the price of Bitcoin decreases, because we know that the Democratic Party, Kamala Harris, Biden, Warren, Gary Gensler, and all their crew, they're out to get Bitcoin. They don't like us, they don't want us, and they will love to see us all in jail. I don't know why, because we're just building freedom technology. We're just building technology that empowers you, the individual. But these power-hungry people don't like that. The Democratic Party is the power-hungry party in the United States, and this comes from a Latino that used to be a hard-blown Democrat during my youth years, and as I grew older, I realized how fool I was and how much I was lied to by that party. Now that I have awakened from the true lies of the party, I can see clear as water how they don't care about you, they don't care about your liberties, they don't care about your freedoms, they only care about remaining in power. And that is a very scary for the crypto industry, and that is why we saw this dumping happening. So we got a combination of two things. We got Japan in chaos, as we saw 6.4% down in just one day. And then we can see also Kamala Harris, gaining momentum, because everybody that is infected by the TDS virus, it's right now, trying to back the next puppet, because anything but Trump, according to them. I don't know why. Blows my mind. But this is the reality we live in. I don't make the rules. I just play by them. I got no control over none of this. I wish I did, but I don't. So all I can do is watch and position myself financially where I see I will be in more control of my future. And of course, that is on Bitcoin, that is on Ethereum, that is on crypto, that is of course on Mula, and many other technologies that are advancing the empowerment of the individual. That is you, my friend. That is you. That's what we want to do. We want to empower you. We want you to be in control of your finances, not the government, not the bank, not a ledger that you hope is insured by an FDIC that is about to go broke as well, if you follow how their finances are going down after they were forced to bail out Silicon Bank and all their buddies. Yeah. Oh, you guys, what's coming? What's coming? It's crazy. So I hope that you have your wealth in hard assets. I really do so. I really do hope so, because what is coming for fiat is not pretty. It's just not pretty. All right. So let's move on with the news. And I got to tell you something. I see what is going on in the industry, and this is sad. This is absolutely sad to see legends like Scottie Pippen coming out of the woodworks, because they're not relevant anymore, because nobody talks about them anymore. Now they want to come here to the crypto industry to extract money, value out of our back pockets ruining their legacies. I don't understand this. Here we have a guy that had built a true legacy. I had childhood memories about this guy playing alongside the greatest of all times, Michael Jordan, and doing amazing things for the Chicago Bulls. And now you're gonna tell me that because, bro, you're old, go into retirement, you already left a legacy. You were already a millionaire. What did you do with all your money? Why are you here, bro? Why are you here hurting our industry? Because now Scottie Pippen has officially rogged. They rogged. Yes, he actually scammed everybody who joined his project. I didn't. I'm off the meme coins. You know, I told you several weeks ago, utility coins, things like the Mula token, things like Link, things like with real value, real tangible utility and technologies. That is where you should be placing your bets on right now. If you're putting your bets on meme coins, if you're putting your bets on celebrity coins right now, this is what you should be expecting to happen to all of your money. Degraded celebrities begging for a little bit of relevancy, scamming people left, right, and center. Not cool. Not cool. We also have a MicroStrategy forecasting a 4 to 8 annual increase on Bitcoin. So this is very bullish because for financial institutions, this is about double the amount they get on treasury bonds, right? So if you are averaging around 8% per year on Bitcoin, you're expecting, you're doing twice as much as if you were on T-bills. So this is very, very bullish. What else do we got going on? We got Coinbase retail. Retail is not here, guys. Look at this. We got institutional investment on Q1 being the top, but retail remains. Retail is hitting 2021 levels. Coinbase retail volume is way below the 2021 levels. That tells you something. The bull market, the real parabola, the real crazy zone has not yet even started, guys. Retail is not yet here, and Coinbase is one of the best needles, the best gauges, the best ways to measure if retail is here or not. And we can see that nope, retail is not yet here. Retail is not yet here. So now, what did we see happen yesterday? Well, we saw an absolute chaos break in Japan as stocks plummeted more than 6%. Largest decline since June 24th, 2016, and experienced 2 circuit breakers during the session. That means that the Japan markets are showing signs of extreme weakness. We can see the cracks. We can see the cracks. 2 circuit breaks, 2 of them. And here we have also unusual whales reporting the exact same thing, that the Japanese stock market has shown by the Topix index fell by 6.14% today, experiencing 2 circuit breakers during today's trading session. This is the largest decline since June 2016. Something is definitely breaking in Japan. Top is in. And when the top is in, volume, we have 3.4 months before the S&P 500 and the US market tops. So usually when we hit the top on the Japan markets, we follow suit 3 to 4 months after the US market stop, according to Henrik Seberg. But first, blow off top as liquidity starts to flow in. Massive rally in the US small caps and crypto awaits as investors get convinced that US will pull the rest of the world out of the deep if this is going to happen? Yeah, we are yet to see. It's yet to be seen. But at the end of the day, the great irony of this cycle is that as time goes on, more and more institutions are loading their bags. Over half of Fortune 500 companies are doing something on chain. Meanwhile, crypto Twitter is losing their minds in the shop, not realizing that the thesis strengthens every single day. I hope my brothers hold on, because this market is undervalued according to Elliott Trades, and I happen to agree with him. While you guys continue to get wrecked, the fundamentals cannot be stronger. And let me tell you something, the gaming industry is starting to do a comeback. Check this time. Gaming Ethereum L3s, XAI games, and proof of play are seeing huge network activity upticks. We also see Immutable having a massive surge in transactions. And guess what? Sui is about to release the first ever Sui Play game device. Yes, we got the first ever in-game device in Sui. And let me tell you something. If you saw what happened with the Solana Saga phone, the first crypto native phone, everybody who scored one of those during the pre-sale, they made some massive money. Why? Because they got many airdrops from many cryptocurrency projects that wanted to be in that device. So the same will happen here. Many games that will want to be played on this device will start to airdrop everybody who get their hands on this device. So you heard that here first. Remember, you heard this here first. You want to make some money? Right here, my friend. If you manage to get your hands on this device, every crypto game that launches on this device will be airdropping you, the first adopters of the device. If you understand that, you're up for massive gains if you manage to get your hands in one of these. Now, the wait list is on. So you can go right here, get on the wait list, because the pre-sale is over. So let me go in right now. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead. I needed to change the camera because I need to get on this wait list, but I need to do it with my regular email. So let me go ahead and do that, because I definitely want to be on this wait list. And there you are. There I am. I have already applied, and I am on the wait list. You want to get your hands on one of these the same way I want. And not because I am a gamer. Honestly, I don't game at all. But I go where the money goes. That's it. They're not paying me anything. When did I find out about this? Today. That's why I'm just joining the wait list. And I saw it and I'm like, 2 + 2 is 4. Look at what happened with Solana. Those who got the phone first, massive gains. Those who get this device first, massive gains. 2 + 2 is 4, guys. Do with that information as you wish. Now, we got Fred Krunger in Twitter speculating is in 2024 is the new 2018. Both were election years. Both had huge bubbles. Both had almost exactly the same Fed funds. In 2028, in 2008, I should say, not 2028, 2008, we dropped 5% in August, 20% in September, and elected Obama, and then we bottomed after a 50% drawdown on Inauguration Day. the Fed dropped interest rate for 5% to 0 in 3 months. Is this what is going to happen? We don't know, but it's definitely a possibility, and I had to let you guys know, because that's what I tell you, the bull case and the bear case, because this is just a normal day on crypto, guys. This is just a normal day on crypto. The bear is trying to scare us, but if you have been here 7, 8, 9 years on crypto, this little bear, he has nothing on us. He cannot scare us. He just can't. He just can't. Because we go from McDonald's to Lambo, and from Lambo to McDonald's. There are only 2 types of crypto investors. And I want to show you my the new Porsche. Me and in my new Porsche. Thank you, crypto. Thank you, crypto. Hey, you gotta love the memes. If you cannot laugh, if you're not enjoying the ride, watching my Porsche GT3 RS. Thank you, crypto. Let's click. You know, you gotta live in the future, guys. Live in the future. You are not broke. You are just pre-rich. You're just pre-rich, my friend. All right. So be positive. Your mindset in the right place. Watching your Porsche GT3 RS as you await for the delivery. Let's see, what else do we got? When my $200 in crypto become $208 overnight. You have never seen a more happy dojo in your life. Look at this happy dojo. What else do we got? What else do we got? I think that's it. I think that's it. It's dangerous to go alone, so take this. You always need a cat. You always need a cat. So this is me. This is me right here. But then this is your Degen. This is the apes on the chat. You see all those apes on the chat? Right here. This is me with my setup, trying to make it all happen, right? Trying to time the market for you guys. Meanwhile, you guys are just taking shots from the hip like a true Degen that you are. So kudos to all of you guys, because you guys are the best. And with this, we cut into our Degen news. Well, I did drop the news at the beginning. It's no secret that our chart has been suffering as after we did our airdrop a couple days ago. We did our Mula token airdrop. So since we had Mula raining on us, of course, that explains why. Look, we got so much Mula raining. You guys cannot even see me anymore. So that is actually why you see the price suffering. It was expected. I came in here live and I told you guys beforehand, so nobody was caught by surprise. It looks like all the yields are out. We're gonna wait a couple more days. We're gonna give them time. Let's give them time to yield. Once the yields are out, we're gonna start working our way up again. So, but what's coming is gonna melt faces, because we have a sustainable business model. So all the airdrops have been given out, and we are not going to reset the count to 0. So if you have some points, you're gonna compound those until the next drop. But that drop is gonna happen in 3 to 4 months after our full business model is out. We're working hard right now in the wallet. We are integrating the fees contract on the swaps. We're integrating our DeFi loans. We're fixing some of the bugs. We're doing many things. We're doing a lot of work. We're also releasing many things right here. So we're releasing an utility tool. We're releasing this into the market. We're releasing, so any founder will be able to airdrop any token to any community anytime they want without having to pay hefty fees. You only pay the gas, my friend. I'm not gonna charge you anything. You can come right here, airdrop your tokens. You don't have to be like claim portal. You don't have to be at the mercy of high fees services. You can just come right here and do so. This will be live in our website over the next few days. But we have also released in our Mula token page. Now, if you scroll down, you can see all the details about our NFTs. You can scroll them, you can look for all of them based on traits. You can do top 1%, top 10%, top 25%, and you can buy, you can make offers, you can buy the floor, you can check everything and all the stats, everything that is going on with our NFT right here from our website. So we just ship that, and we have much more coming up for this page. So that is coming. The wallet is coming. Public launch of the wallet. We're gonna kickstart our marketing campaigns for the wallet. That will start generating revenue. Once the revenues come in, we're gonna start our Mula tokens buybacks and burn, and that's when shit will go crazy. So right now is the time of accumulation. Right now, if you didn't have enough Mula tokens, the market is giving you a great price. You can buy now the Mula token below for cheaper than anybody else, and you can then hodl this beautiful coin and go to the moon with us, safely into the moon as we release our technology and start generating revenue. And that revenue is used to buy back our Mula tokens and burn them. So that's pretty much it. That's all we have for today. Questions. Let's go into questions, incognitos, questions and answers. So if you have any question, drop it in the chat box. If you have not yet joined our community, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the retweet if you are on X, because we got great things coming up. So if you have any questions right now is the time, drop them in the chat box. Meanwhile, and while we wait on questions to drop in, I got one simple question for you, my friend.
Can I be your friend?
That's right. If I can be your friend, then the way you do so is follow us on X, subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, on LinkedIn, all across all our social media accounts. Links are in the description if you're in YouTube, also in our bio if you are on X. Let me scroll up to see if we got some questions that came in during the show. I see here that we got one question. We got one question coming in, and that is coming from Flurry Donas. What's going on? Thank you for dropping by. And you ask, the BTC all-time high is near, right? Yes, it is. Soon. I was hoping it was right after the conference. Like I was explaining at the beginning of the show, this drawdown caught us by surprise. But nonetheless, we found beautiful support and we're working our way back up. Retail is not yet here, and we gave the reasons why we have this drawdown. So now that we have this already priced in, we're ready to go back. And if we break this level, if we break the 70,000, if we can break $70,000 level, then we're gonna break the all-time high and go into full price discovery zone. If it doesn't happen by the end of August, it's going to happen by the beginning of the September, because I cannot lie, this drawdown delays the process a couple weeks. This was an unexpected drawdown caused by Japan and calling me. She'll answer. I'll call them back. So this drawdown is caused by Kamala Harris gaining momentum and the Japan crash. So it was unexpected. But nonetheless, since it took place, now the timeline delays for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So instead of seeing an all-time high by the end of July, beginning of August, now we should see an all-time high by the end of August, beginning of September. But great question. Thank you for asking. That was great. So without any more questions on the chat, I will get out of here because somebody's calling me. I need to know who that is. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you back again on Monday with another Web3 morning motivation show full of news and updates. I will see you then. Until then, always remember, gains are nothing. Freedom is everything.
Coming up, bad news for savers, as even those with high-interest savings accounts are seeing their money disappear thanks to inflation. But first, we'll detail every possible thing you could die from. He's a rational investor, dividend digester, saves some of his paycheck just like all his ancestors. Him looking for high yields? That's never the case. He's seeking 6% returns. Slow and steady wins the race. But when he checks his accounts just to see what they're fielding, it's like driving in Maryland. Ain't nobody yielding. What is he to do? He shouldn't be in a drought. So he visits his advisor just to sort it all out. Inflation's higher than your bond rate. That's what I was fearing. So your savings account is slowly disappearing and your CDs are pointless. That's not very funny. What would you like me to do? Put it all in dog money. Dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm trading it in for dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money, dog money. I'm putting it all in dog money. My 401k is now a 401k9. The sum of my net worth ain't no longer in a straight line. I'm making smart moves. I ain't gonna be a pun. I sold my IRA and bought an NFT of one. All in on Doge, I dish them out like a Tommy gun. You think I was statehood the way I'm passing on Washington? I feel like Matt Gates, you know what I mean? Assuring everybody it's above 18. It's a modern day gold rush. The prices will boom like Reggie White versus the Oilers. I'm headed straight to the moon. My broker's calling, you know that it's on. Buy dog money, don't stop till it's dawn. 1 more airbase, 2 more museums, 3 more walls, 4 more Supremes, 5 more stadiums. We're all out of fiat. Can you take trillions of these and go and make a Xerox? We pay our debts in our currency that might be unfurled if it's no longer the reserve currency of the world. Confidence in the dollar is permanent. Just ask any scholar. People are exchanging their dollars for dog money. Dog money? Dog money. Dog money.